I am good at, I am bad at. Good at, bad at plus noun. I am good at English. He is good at football. She is good at chess. I am bad at maths. He is bad at basketball. They are bad at music. Good at, bad at plus verb ing. They are good at reading. He is good at swimming. She is good at typing. My daughter is bad at cooking. These girls are bad at doing housework. She is bad at taking photos. Are you good at telling stories? I am not good at telling stories. What are you good at? I am good at. What are you bad at? I am bad at.